This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing. Make sure you know the iPhone model and iOS version and that you're on the Wi-Fi network you plan to edit. Once done, open Settings and flip Airplane Mode on for 5 seconds, then off. This severs active connections and often clears transient DNS bindings. While connections drop, get your replacement DNS addresses ready, using 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8 is common. This primes the device before making persistent DNS changes. Now you'll update the DNS settings for the active Wi-Fi network. Tap Settings, choose Wi-Fi, then the small I next to your network. Select Configure DNS and switch to Manual, remove any existing entries and add 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 as needed. After adding, tap Renew Lease to force the phone to ask the router for new network details. Make sure to save changes and reconnect. This forces the iPhone to use the new DNS and discards the old cached lookups. Finish by restarting the iPhone so the system-wide DNS cache is fully cleared. A reboot ensures no lingering resolver state. After it boots, test by opening several websites or a network diagnostics app to confirm lookups resolve correctly. If pages still fail or you see stale DNS results, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This clears all network configs and often fixes stubborn DNS issues. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi passwords before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.